Hey everybody, this is Doug with the Tech Ranch. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a product review of the LumiCharge and universal charging station. This is a LED lamp. It comes well boxed, it's solid, no rattling when you get it in-house. So we're just going to open it up and find out what all is inside this for you when you were to pick this product up for your office or your home use. Again, it's the LumiCharge LED lamp and universal charging station. It's well packed, comes in some protective wrapping, and I've got it upside down, so I'll be careful here to turn it over. As I say, it's well packed. Looks like a charging pack here, and that's what we have in the box. Set that aside. The transformer and the cords are all there, so no batteries required, no handheld, what do you want to call it, remote or anything like that. So we'll just get it unpacked and show everybody what we have inside the box. The LumiCharge LED lamp. There it is, pretty lightweight. I suppose if a person was inclined, they could travel with this in their travel overnight bag. So it swivels, nice base, and LED lamps. All right, everybody, thank you for watching the Tech Ranch today.